RAB, RBC, and RAC are connected each other, which makes the delta network. That connection is known as delta connection. Okay. Now we are going to convert this delta connection to star connection. Star connection, otherwise known as Y network. It looks like the alphabetic letter Y. Okay, so A, B, C, three branches are connected at a common point O. RA resistance are in branch A, RB in branch B, RC in branch C. Okay, so star network resistance means which can be named as RA, RB, and RC. Delta network means RAB, RBC, and RAC. Okay, so three resistors are connected in the delta network, which will RAB, RBC, RAC. Y network means RA, RB, RC. Okay, so first we are going to write the equation for resistance present in the delta network. This arrow mark indicates conversion of delta to star. So our output is star network. So output parameters are RA, RB, RC in terms of RAB, RBC, RAC. Okay, so we are going to find out RA, RB, RC in delta to star transformation. Okay, so in delta connection, I'm going to write the equation for RAB, RBC, RCA. Okay, RAB, RBC, RCA. See, for all three parameters, denominator will be same, which is sum of all resistance present in the delta network, RAB plus RBC plus RCA. Okay. So for all three parameters, denominator will be same. In the numerator, we are going to write here, we are going to find out RAB. Hence, RAB into sum of other two resistance, RBC plus RCA. Next, RBC means write RBC here, product of sum of other two resistance RAB plus RCA. Okay. Next RCA. RCA equal to RCA into RAB plus RBC divided by sum of all resistance. So these are the three parameters in delta connection. Okay. So these three equations you have to write. Okay. Next we are going to write the RAB, RBC, RCA in terms of star resistance parameters. Okay. So I need RAB in terms of star connection resistance. RAB means resistance across A and B. See this Y network. This is A, this is B. So we are going to consider A and B. Don't consider C. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So RA, so resistance across A and B. This is the straight line A and B. Don't consider C. This CAB means this is a straight line, that is series connection. Already you are all very well known. Series resistance means sum of all resistance present in the circuit. So in A and B, we are having only two resistance, RA and RB. Hence RAB is equal to RA plus RB. This is the formula for RAB in star network. Then RBC means you can consider this B and C. So sum of RB plus RC. Next RCA means RC plus RA. Okay. So we are getting equation for RAB, RBC, RCA in terms of star connection. Okay. Now see these six equations. From first two equations, both left hand side will be same. Hence I will equate right hand side of all these two equations. Okay. Hence I will write RA plus RB is equal to this term. You can write. See, RA plus B, RB equal to this term. Then equate these two equations. We will get RB plus RC. Okay, again equate this third equations. Left hand side, we will equate left hand side means right hand side will be equal. Hence RC plus RA is equal to this term. Okay, mark these equations as 1, 2, and 3. Now subtract 1 and 2. Okay, subtract equation 1 and 2 means both the left hand side will be subtracted, RA plus RB minus RB minus RC. Okay, equal to subtract both right hand side. See, both denominator will be same. I will take it as common. In the numerator, RAB into RBC, product the term RAB into RBC plus RAB into RCA minus RBC into RAB minus RBC into RCA. Okay, see, plus RB and minus RB gets cancelled. Balance RA minus RC. Here, RAB RBC minus RAB RBC gets cancelled. Then write these two terms in the numerator. Mark this equation as 4. Now, add equation 3 and 4. Add equation 3 and 4. See, first we will subtract 1 and 2, balance equations third. The answer is a mark, subtract 1 and 2 equation, get the answer and mark this equation as 4. Now add 3 and 4. Add 3 and 4. Similarly, left hand side will be added, then right hand side will be added. Okay. So both denominator will be same. I will write the denominator as common. Here RA plus RC plus RA minus RC. Okay. So numerator you just add it as it is. RC and RC minus RC cancel. Then RA plus RA is 2RA. Here RAB RCA is that this plus term and minus term gets cancelled. So I'll write 2 into RAB RCA. Okay, now this 2 gets cancelled. Finally, we will get the answer as RA is equal to RAB RCA divided by sum of all three resistance present in the delta network. Okay, so this is the formula for RA. Okay, so similarly, I will write for RB and RC. Okay, from this, see this equation. Already I told denominator will be sum of all three resistance present in the delta network. Okay, that will be common for all parameter. So I'll write RB, RC denominator as it is. See the numerator. Here this is RA. So we will get RAB, RCA. There is no RBC, which means A. So this is the resistance across A means we will get the answer RAB, RCA, A term. This is RB means RAB, RBC, B term. RC means RBC, RCA. Okay, so this is the numerator. So suppose this is an easy way to write RB and RC, but you have to do the derivation. For RB, subtract equation 2 and 3, you will get one answer. Mark this equation as 5, then add 1 and 5, you will get answer for RB. Similarly, for RC, subtract 3 and 1, you will get one answer. Mark that equation as 6 and add equation 2 and the equation 6, you will get the answer for RC. Okay, so these three parameters are the equation for star network: RA, RB, and RC.